And away from that, to an interesting piece of information that startups can use, we are talking about YourNest, an early stage venture capital firm. Now they have raised their second fund with a corpus of 300 crore rupees. They've also roped in Vivek Mansingh, a technology veteran who's had stints in Cisco and Dell, to be a partner in this fund. Now they will be investing in about 25 to 30 startups over the next 3 to 4 years. Looking at both B2B as well as B2B2C, and the sectors that they've really highlighted include the likes of advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, mobile internet, and enterprise software. So I guess if you are an early stage startup in that space, here's an opportunity to really get some funding. Away from that, now we did have two senior partners from Y Combinator, the world's most sought after startup incubator, on our show yesterday. Today we get you more action from the Y Combinator session right here in Bengaluru, where their partners addressed a host of startups. There was also the Y Combinator hours spent with these partners to really understand some of these startups. Now, Rahul Daima was at that event, and he really gives us a sense of what startups felt about meeting Y Combinator.
We're excited with the Indian startups, the ecosystem, and look forward to really investing in startups. That's the word coming from the Bangalore leg of Y Combinator's office hours here in India. So, you know, it's a packed house. You have startups from across the city that have really made it to listen to Y Combinator, to really one of the most sought after incubators in the world. So you have interesting sessions, folks from Y Combinator really telling them what is it that they should do while they apply for their incubator program, and even startups really questioning them around their business models. What should they do to really make it to Y Combinator? How should they really balance work life, and how have their previous investments been? So interesting conversations. It's a packed house, and Bangalore startups couldn't have asked for something more. Bangalore being the hub, they get to really interact with the folks at Y Combinator. I also in fact caught up with a few startups to know what do they really make of this session, and has it really helped them to really crack through a Y Combinator program.
Y Combinator is a combinator, is an accelerator where we have been trying to get into for the last 3 years. So the minute I heard that they are coming to Bangalore and they are having a talk over here, that's very nearby my home. So I was like, let's come over here and get this thing.
All right. Did you really find these sessions interesting? Because they also spoke about the potential that they see in Indian startups. They said we're in fact excited to start funding startups as well. So what's your takeaway from the session?
Yeah, I think the session was informative. So the very fact that YC is in India, it's a validation that the Indian startups are going towards a global scope. We applied to Y Combinator last year when we were a very early stage startup. And now after the session, I think that, you know, there's a chance we can apply again and see how it works out for us.
You know, there's hardly any startup that hasn't applied. You know, have you folks applied to Y Combinator before? And would this event really help you to apply it the right way and get their attention?
Yeah, so this is our first time applying to YC Combinator, and like I have been listening about like what YC can do to us, and like what are the different opportunities and all the other career other options that it opens up after being funded by YC. So yeah, it's a great opportunity for us as well applying to YC. And this session was really informative, and I really liked the Kunal Shah's insights about how to select ideas and how to work upon them. And I really feel that the talk from Adora and Brad, like Tim, like how we can go about approaching our applications. So it was a really informative session.
Ritvik, you know, I believe it's your second startup that you're working on right now. Tell us what exactly you're trying to do, and also with this event in place, you were telling me about how you want to now apply for that program. So would this event really help you to apply for their program?
Yeah, sure. So I've worked on two startups. The first was in healthcare and wellness, and so is my second startup. So my first startup got acquired, and that's how I came into working for the second startup. And regarding your question about this event, is really helpful in understanding what Tim and Adora had to say. And more from the funding perspective, I think it's very necessary for Indian startups to get a whole perspective on the products that they are working, and not just focus on the funding, which was I think one of the main points that Adora and Tim had said in this session. And definitely I'll be willing to apply for YC, because not because of the brand values, but you tend to get more product ideas about your business and how to execute it further. And I think there's no one better than YC to give that sort of knowledge to the entrepreneurs.
So, you know, there's hardly any startup that wouldn't want to apply to YC, and all the startups here have only one mission, to YC and see how they can really apply for their program and probably get selected.